adjudicate probation filed. She entered pleas of true to counts 4 and 5. Does the state have testimony with regard to counts 1, 2, and 3? I think I would. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, Ms. Cole. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you. Now they put up revocation with you rather than individual officers. You see that you want your life. Record will so reflect. You will act with every probation on the extensions for probation army. You know, restrictions, yeah. And each one of them details is conduct, so that they understand context and report. So you get she provides her and she can do. So you're not getting this full life information.
This matters legally. Probation conditions are reviewed line by line, so defendants can't later claim confusion. When a probation officer testifies like this, they're closing the door on excuses before the defense even opens it.
I don't know where or what she's required to do. Her attorney is she advised that she was to report the department and corrected by herself before. And didn't second based on her beautiful file, failed to do that on multiple days, including selecting out 1, 2, 4, 2024, and you had that in violation of her. Did you address? Informer, it is important to report not something in that. You did she did. Was your thanking the Commissioner's information order to fulfill supervision?
Missed reporting dates might sound minor, but in probation world, they're massive. Failure to report signals avoidance, instability, or defiance. Judges treat repeated no-shows as a warning sign that supervision is failing.
You see, there's she's on purpose to. Honestly, she don't know what she is. She's not. You don't know what she is. Probation. You're going based on the law. She either between the hours or maybe in 14 at this point. Sorry. Horrendous. I was about to end. No, just that condition of probation, right? There's also mention of probation that she is to report to you her address so that she knows where she is. Yes. If she does not do that, you probably report her. If she is, in fact, immediately report to you. So she did not. So else, they should not have about some guilt to be affirmative on the court. No, I congratulations on the so that's in for what else you can direct that. We made a point and she knows how so that kind of interview and she maintained contact with me. So that part that I was trying to do for the year of people. And in a minute. Mr. Lewis, do you have any questions?
Here's the tension courts wrestle with. Mental health explains behavior, but it doesn't excuse ignoring court orders. The system offered help. Appointments were made. And refusing that help shifts this from needs support to won't comply.
Hold on, ma'am. You're going to get an opportunity, okay? Mr. Lewis, do you have any questions on Ms. Cole? Anything else? All right. Thank you, Ms. Cole. Any other witnesses with regard to the allegations? Based on the testimony. Yeah, you stated that earlier. Yeah. No one on them. Hold on, ma'am. No point time of them 2024 was violated. She had contact. You know, for the same. Any questions about that? About the count eight with the contact? Then, at this time, based on the testimony, I am going to find counts 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8 true. Again, there were pleas of true to counts 4 and 5 previously. I've received an updated pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report? Any additions or corrections to that report? Do you have anything to add that's not already in your report? So the main thing I want to make sure, Ms. Cole will have a notation here to ask is, you guys were aware of mental health issues and have opportunities for Ms. Atkins to participate in mental health services. Is that correct? Okay. All right, argument, Mr. Lewis?
I think Debbie's something. I think CSI would have as well as I think procedures. Yes. Really those issues. I think they go direct to their house. Their house. For this year, I've been on the case load. That's what benefit us. Was, again, in research, topic, tomorrow, or the program, probation, or I have had conversations with her, conversations with her when she had addressed her desire. So again, those still staying here, CP opportunity didn't go well, but I don't think the mental health issue or drug, such that point. I think if you didn't handle on that, it's worked out with her to just the mental health issue. She would do a lot better. It's what we can see in people.
Hold on. Well, it sounds like you had appointments that you missed that Ms. Cole made for you. Well, did she go to regular safety or special? Hold on. So she's already been to special needs safety. So that was whole 6 months plus aftercare of drug and mental health. So Ms. Atkins' problem is you're being given all the opportunities.
Yeah, but like I said, I told you I had an appointment in Philadelphia when I didn't get too long. They're not taking any medication.
So you had an appointment that Ms. Cole set for you, at least one. How many?
Yeah, but it's not for medical. For a psycho, not a psycho. I don't have this help.
Well, you obviously we don't know what you need because you won't even go do the evaluation. That sounds like you haven't been on medications. That would be what?
Evaluation where?
Cinnamon.
That's not. I don't have that. I'm not a psychopath. That is for you.
It's psychopath. Nobody's saying you're a psychopath, but you have. That's not what it's called, and that's not the reason it's called that, okay? If you had gone to your appointment and talked to them, then you would know what that was for. And you would know that it was meant to help you so that you could get on medication, stabilize, and not have the issues that you've been having. I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea. I'm sorry, Ms. Altino, did you have anything to add?
Yes, I think our conversation she's in emergency now. Continue to work. I think she clearly sees the mental health issues. As you can see, what school has to deal with, court has to deal with actually.
Well, and in addition, I am going to find judicial notice of the court's file. Ms. Atkins was evaluated for competency to stand trial not that long ago. I think it was in January of this year. And I have that report. And the finding is that Ms. Atkins is competent, understands the nature of the proceedings, and is then just really making a choice not to follow through with what programs have been given to you, Ms. Atkins, to try to help you. So at this time, any recommendation as far as
I have more.
okay?
She was like giving me the information needed to.
That word, choice, is the turning point. Once a judge concludes the defendant is choosing noncompliance, mercy evaporates. From here on, the court's priority becomes public safety, not rehabilitation.
Follow up with a couple of things.
Okay, well, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Ms. Cole would never say go do something and not tell you where to go or help you get there.
No, she basically does not have to live that. We do that.
I'm not worried about your community service. I'm worried about your mental health. And the fact that you're not doing what you need to, and you're still contacting the victim, and it's a serious case. And so I got to protect society, unfortunately, because you're not choosing to do the things that... Okay.
It's my life in jeopardy.
I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 4 and 5 freely and voluntarily. Again, I'm finding counts 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8 true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty. Don't talk over. I'm about to sentence you to prison, and how you keep talking over me is about to start adding years onto that. Stop talking. It's just going to get worse. Do you understand? Okay. I'm going to find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, I'm finding you guilty of injury to an elderly individual. Sentence you to a term of 5 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of...
This is a courtroom reality most people don't understand. Sentencing isn't over until the judge finishes speaking. Interrupting, arguing, or denying responsibility can, and often does, push judges toward harsher punishment. Silence here is self-preservation.